Welcome to Impact Physics. My name is Mr. Oporom, and today we are going to be dealing with question number 3, Waec 2021. So I'm going to read, and the question will be displayed on your screen. You have to listen and you have to write. I believe that is simple. Okay, let's start. A projectile is fired at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal with a velocity of 40 meters per second. Calculate the velocity attained after 1 second. You have to take g to be equal to 10 meters per second square. Are you there? We are to calculate the velocity at a point where the time is 1 second. Yes. So all we need to do is to resolve the velocity into vertical and horizontal component. Is that okay? Well, what I'm saying is that we'll find the resultant velocity at that point. So for us to find the resultant velocity at that point, we need to consider the vertical component of velocity and the horizontal component of velocity. So the horizontal component of velocity is not changing, and it's given as u cos theta. In case you don't know about projectile, you can comment so that we can learn about it more. But just know that a projectile is any object that is thrown into the atmosphere that its motion is affected by gravity. So now, if this is the formula, so u will be what? 40, we have cos 30, right? So this will give us a value of 34.6 meters per second. This one is for the horizontal x. Now for the vertical component, at that point where t is this, will be u sine theta. Now minus, because this one will be affected by what? Acceleration due to gravity, g what? T. So we are going to substitute, and if we do that, what do we have? We are going to have u. What's u? U is what? 40 sine what? 30 minus what? Minus 10 times what? 1. This will just give me 20 minus what? 10. And this will give me 10 what? Meter watt per second. So let's resolve. So the resultant velocity at that point will be equal to v sub y square plus what? V sub what? S square. This one has the horizontal component, vertical component. Substitute and get your answer as well. So if we do that, we are going to have, for this we are having 10 square plus what? For this we are having what? 30 what? 34 point, sorry, let me make it bold. 34.6 square. So at the end of the day, we are going to be having 36.02 meter watt per second. So this will be our final answer for the resultant velocity at a point where the time is equal to what? 1 second. If you do not know much about projectile, please comment, I don't know much. Or better still, you can say, can we have a class on projectiles? And then I'll be free to avail myself for the class. My name is Mr. Oprom. As I said earlier, do how to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Darlington_Physics. Keep learning and then you keep improving.